Tired of your old skins? Go ahead and check out Pirate Swap. On Pirate Swap you can trade your old skins for new ones instantly without the hassle of dealing with middlemen or shady traders. And by using my special code AlexG you can get yourself 35% bonus to your deposit and bonuses on your first trade. Check out Pirate Swap and enjoy your new fresh skins. Yo guys, it's your boy Alex Gambles back at it again, guys. If you wanna play on Casehug with me, you can go ahead and use my code AlexG. It gives you 20% refill bonus, and if you are new, you will also get $1 welcome bonus. They have many deposit options, including skins with instant receiving. So as you can see, if I could depot my M9, I would get 400 now and the rest after a few days. You also have a chance to get one of these skins as a bonus with your deposit by just depositing $2. So good luck, guys. We have 438 in the balance today. I saw one interesting battle here and I will probably join it. Let's go. I actually joined it with my whole balance, which maybe wasn't something that I wanted to do, and I can't even see it anymore. Where is this battle, guys? Am I stupid or something? Hello? Maybe he cancelled it. No, he didn't, because he took my balance. Where is the battle, guys? What a start to the video, man. Did he actually... No, where is it? It's this one, okay, here. Let's go. Let's get it. 50. What is this, bro? I don't even know if I want to do it, honestly. Let's just leave it in the cart, I guess. Maybe it starts, maybe it doesn't, I don't know. The man who created this is crazy, to be fair. But yeah, we Gucci, guys. Let's create one more. Let's add some cases here. And I was thinking to go a bit crazy today, so hopefully we can do it. So what do we start with? Let's start with... Those are high risk, right? So let's start with them, right? 3 tigers. Yeah, 3 tigers. Demolition 3 times, electronic 3 times. Maybe let's do 2 laps, and that's 443. Freeway, borrow mode. 20% borrow, $80, guys. Let's add the bots. I don't know if this battle is gonna start, so probably we will have to leave it, but we will see. Okay, not the best start, especially... Please don't tell me it's a knife. Is it? No, it's a daybreak. How much is daybreak? 30 bucks. Cyber security, not even daybreak. Yo, honestly, I legit thought he's getting the knife, like, to be fair. Luckily he doesn't. Okay, it baits me for the royal spin, obviously. Classic Alex Gambles luck, you know what I'm saying. Okay, $11 case, nothing in it, but it's a high risk, so it makes sense. We want to pull on the electronic, or preferably on the lap, and get this wild lotus. That would be cool, because one wild lotus, 20%, it's 1200 for us. So to be fair, I would be more than happy with it, but let's see what we can get here. Okay, I see good knives, guys. Nice bayonet, 600. Fine, I'll take it. I will gladly take it. Imagine back to back. No back to back. Okay, let me pull on the lap, please, and don't give the bots anything too crazy, and we will be Gucci, please. Left side. Oh, that's kind of ugly. I mean, 139 from what? From 80, I think, something like that. 90? Yeah, 90. Well, let's run it back. 2v2. No, it's not 2v2, it's 4-way. I mean, again, maybe it's supposed to be like that. Maybe I'm winning the 4-way as well. I don't know, we'll see. Honestly, we just need one good pull on the electronic or on the lap. Imagine I get the knife. Imagine. It's impossible, so I'm not even getting excited. Yeah, it's probably such a low percent. But I mean, still, 10x, it's good, but like, I could have used the ticket here or here. But yeah, I wasted it on a $3 case. Well, that's not the best outcome, but fine. I mean, it's okay at the end of the day. Just give me one more, you know? Okay, what could that be? $11. Just give him the M4, AK. 41, that's fine. We can make it back easily. We just need to pull a royal spin here. We'll get the knife and we will be chillin'. Chillin'. Please, left side, knife, royal spin, anything? No? Okay. One more chance. No, it goes straight to the lab, actually. Okay, never mind. We need it right here, right now. and we don't get it. That's quite unlucky. I think, yeah, we leave this. Nobody is joining, unfortunately. Oh, by the way, I think it's yeah, it's definitely the guy who has those cases, probably. So yeah, yeah, never mind. Anyway, let's just add some more cases here. They have some new sticker cases, but I feel like running them on Joker mode is the only proper way to do it, so let's do 2 of them. We go freeway and we borrow almost all of it, because no, it's yeah, we borrow almost all of it. Technically we have 200 left. I mean, we borrow 50% of my balance, so obviously I'm hoping to pull something from the stickers, preferably, and preferably the LGB sticker. Bro, I'm wasting my ticket again. Like, imagine this was the sticker case here. Oh man, if that was the sticker case, I'd probably get the most insane sticker on the case, but yeah, I just get the cybersecurity, I guess. Fine. Those high-risk cases, they don't want to treat me too well. They really don't. They just troll and give me the ticket on the Tiger. I'm just removing it straight away. If we go next battle with this setup, I'm just removing it. Don't give him the knife, please. Just give him the AK. Yep, I'll take it. 39, let's go. We can definitely bring it back. Just need some more luck, you know, just need some more luck. Just give me something on the... No, that's ugly. That's definitely ugly. That's... Just give him the deagle, I guess. Yep, nice, okay. How much? 142, okay, that's fine, that's more than fine. Give me something on the lap, please, or on the hole, or on the stickers. Like, there is so many chances, please. Just LGB here, please. One time for the video, you know, for the boys and for me, obviously. Okay, $300 case gives us nothing, man. That's so ugly. Please, howling down one time, man. Nope, we are not getting it in this case. Maybe in that one, not either. Okay, LGB, please, one time, guys. Oh man, just show me that it's possible, please. Just let me get it. No, it's Krat sticker, bro. Yeah, that's unlucky, but look, $2,000 battle, paid 700. Yeah, that's not the best battle that I cooked, definitely not even close to being the best. So let's go, you know what, let's go with some crazier cases. Let's do like 3 blazes. Let's maybe go with something for like 50-ish. I feel like this could be the way to do it. Let's do that one, maybe this one, that one, Galaxy Lab. No, Lab, I hate Lab actually, I don't like it. Let's do one Babushka, let's do one Quantum, and let's do one Knife. Yep. Freeway again, 10% borrow, guys, let's get it. We have $70 left after this, so honestly we need to lock the fuck in and just take this battle, because if we don't, then it's gonna be really tough, really tough in fact, and we don't want it to be really tough, you know, we just want it to be easy win. That's what we are looking for. Okay, gloves, nice, but Barry gets them too, so technically nice, technically not, I don't know. Okay, M4. That's cool. $70 case. Any royal spins here? Hello? You were giving me so many royal spins on $3 case. Maybe give me one on the more expensive one, please. Okay, back in the lead. That's good. Ooh, Stewie with the Prince stream. Fine. 152 case. Please. Nothing from it. Wow. Okay. 358 here. Bro, cat knife. Really? Royal spin here, please. Oh man, what is this? I can stick it up my ass, man. Oh, wow. Okay, just remove the Quantum, I think. 76, we are still short. Let's remove 1 blaze. We need to remove 2 blazes. Oof. Freeway. Oh man, I don't have enough. Okay, now we have this and that has to go away, and we can add something for I mean, we can add the Babushka back, I think, or something else. Maybe it's the Chinatown that's gonna treat us, you know, maybe. And this one, just remove the blaze fully, I don't want it. Okay, let's go. 6850, guys, the last chance here. I mean, it's not going too well. Okay, good start with the gloves. I will take it. 85 case here. Anything good? Not really. And the bot Jorgo is back. Okay, Temuka, but Nerd gets the Shadow Daggers. Unlucky. 112, please, something. Oh man. Are you really gonna do me dirty like that? Seriously? Just give me something from Galaxy. Like any royal spin here, especially in the circus case, could be crazy. Please. Oh man, anyone gets it but not me. Obviously, when I don't go crazy mode, things like that happen. Oh, okay, I think it's GG. 2300, it's gonna be real hard to come back from that. Circus and some insane drop is the only way to save it. And okay, and I get the royal drop here. Guys, I don't know, Pandora boxes. Yeah, that's not gonna cut it. Not even close, bro. Unlucky. Some videos, you know, they have to end like that. You win some, you lose some. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys.